Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining today's session on supply chain basics and fundamentals. I'm excited to guide you through the foundational concepts that drive supply chain management in today's rapidly changing world. Whether you're new to supply chain or looking to refresh your knowledge, you're in the right place. Now, let's begin by reviewing what we'll cover in this presentation. Here's how our journey will unfold. First, we'll introduce the concept of the supply chain, what it is and why it matters. And next, we'll dive into the crucial role the supply chain plays in global business success. After that, I'll walk you through key supply chain terms and concepts every professional should know. Finally, we'll wrap up with some closing thoughts to tie it all together. With that overview in mind, let's jump straight into the fundamentals. At its core, supply chain management, or SCM, is the art and science of moving goods and services all the way from raw materials to the end customer. It's the invisible engine that coordinates procurement, production, logistics, and distribution, ensuring the right products arrive at the right place at exactly the right time. Modern supply chains aren't just about moving boxes. They leverage advanced technology and teamwork to reduce costs, boost efficiency, and keep companies competitive. In fact, a well-run supply chain is essential for any business today. It ensures customers get what they want, when they want it, and that businesses stay resilient in the face of change or disruption. When supply chain strategies are aligned with broader business goals, companies become agile. They can anticipate market shifts, tackle disruptions, and capitalize on new opportunities. By treating supply chain as a strategic asset, organizations streamline operations, elevate their service, and earn long-term customer loyalty in an ever-changing marketplace. With that big picture view, let's break down what makes an effective supply chain work. 3 critical pillars underpin any high-performing supply chain: visibility, collaboration, and end-to-end flow. First, visibility. This means more than just tracking packages. It's about having transparent insight into every stage, from inventory to shipments to real-time demand. With strong visibility, businesses respond rapidly to disruptions, optimize their stock, and drive continuous improvement. Second, collaboration. Today's supply chain isn't a solo act. It's a network of partners: suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and tech providers. Each player adds value by working together, ensuring goods flow smoothly and customers stay satisfied. Finally, end-to-end flow. Picture the entire journey: sourcing materials, manufacturing products, and distributing finished goods. Every step must be tightly coordinated to deliver maximum value. When aligned, these stages support quality, speed, and cost-effectiveness. Understanding these pillars sets the foundation for realizing the broader impact of supply chains. Why should we care about supply chains? Quite simply, they power our global economy. Let's break it down. A connector of global markets. Supply chains let companies reach new markets and tap into global resources. Effectively managing this web of activity is essential for thriving in today's interconnected world. Driver of innovation. The digital age is transforming supply chains. Companies use data and smart tools to reduce risk, boost speed, and deliver reliably, even in unpredictable environments. Enabler of competitive advantage. Efficient supply chain management fuels business success. By minimizing costs and maximizing service, companies delight customers, deliver top-quality goods, and stay ahead of the competition. By continuously refining their supply strategies, businesses can adapt quickly and sustainably. In summary, supply chains are central to how businesses grow, innovate, and outshine the competition. To sum up, a well-designed supply chain gives businesses the agility to innovate and the responsiveness customers expect. In a world that's changing faster than ever, this adaptability is key to staying relevant and successful. Now that we've covered the big picture, let's get practical with some essential supply chain terms. Every supply chain professional needs a solid grasp of a few key terms. A just-in-time, often called JIT, this strategy delivers goods exactly when needed, never too soon or too late. This reduces waste, limits unused inventory, and boosts overall efficiency. A SKU, The stock keeping unit is a unique product identifier. Think of it as each item's passport, making tracking, sales analysis, and inventory management vastly simpler. A lead time. This is the journey time, how long it takes from placing an order to receiving the goods. Accurately managing lead time helps companies plan inventory, delight customers, and stay flexible amid market swings. Mastering these concepts ensures smooth communication and effective collaboration within the supply chain world. Let's explore a few more building blocks for supply chain success. Demand planning. This is all about forecasting what customers will want and when. It helps companies produce just enough at the right time, avoiding both shortages and costly surpluses. Logistics. Think trucks, ships, and warehouses. Logistics manages the movement, storage, and distribution of goods, ensuring that products get where they need to go, reliably and on time. Inventory. This includes everything a company has on hand, from raw materials to finished products. Managing inventory effectively means products are available when needed, without tying up unnecessary capital. Procurement. This is the process of finding and buying the goods or services a company needs for production. It involves selecting suppliers, negotiating contracts, and making smart purchasing decisions. Together, these terms provide a strong foundation for understanding supply chain strategy and technology, which are critical components in today's businesses. As we wrap up, remember, supply chain excellence is the backbone of business performance, enabling companies to reach global markets and build customer trust in every industry. When organizations prioritize and invest in their supply chains, they set themselves up for long-term success in a highly competitive world. Thank you for joining me on this journey into supply chain basics and fundamentals. I hope you found it insightful, and I encourage you to keep exploring the many facets of modern supply chain management.